If you found us, you most likely typed in a search term to find the best and greatest service around. Here at Illinois Online Services, we not only help businesses get found, we help you find the exact services you're looking for. This is why we provide accurate listing information for each business profile we promote online: company name, address, contact information, and most important, the services your business provides. By using the search terms that found us, here is the best service we believe will provide the exact service you were looking for. Don't just search, search wisely.